Yesterday was a hard day. The car was coming up with fault after fault after fault. Last night I did a bit of research and I have a plan now. It's obvious the car's suffered from a lack of maintenance and the braking system is crucial, so I'm going to check every bit of it. Looking at the state of these pads, there is no way I am getting those out. I think this one's a job for Whitworth.
Fancy that.
Whitworth? I don't think I can get these brake pads off. Can you help me, please?
I'm not surprised. That disc looks like a non-stick wok. Take one hammer, one medium-sized chisel, and beat until separated. You know what? Hollandaise. That would work really well with it.
Next to the disc. Really heavy.
If I came to your house, would I leave your kitchen in that state?